Today I'm going to take you on a string safari. A string safari is a project where we create a Zentangle using a given string. And this is our fourth string safari, so you can check out all the previous lessons in the playlist. I'm Sandhya, an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. Welcome to yet another Zentangle Mini Project. So for today's session, I'm going to work on my white square tile with my black pen. So go grab your supplies. All we need is a white tile or a white paper and a black pen, pencil and a stub to get started. So here we are with our supplies, my white square tile, pencil, stub, my 01 micron and 08 micron. So today's string is going to be like this. So we start with our 4 dots on 4 corners and we'll join them freehand. Okay, keep rotating your tile. Okay, so now my string is going to look like this. So I start from here and I'm going to make a semicircle like this. Okay, and I'm going to repeat the same thing here. So I make sure that they kind of intersect each other. So it's kind of like a Venn diagram. Yeah. So this is how my string is going to look. Half circle on this side and half circle on this side, and making sure that they both cross each other. Okay, so now I start with my 01 micron. So I'm going to go over this line and kind of ink this line. Okay. I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to give an aura line to this. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here. And remember, when you come across something, you're going to skip that line. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so our next step, I'm going to add Divadance here on these two edges. Okay, so I start from here, I pull out a line that goes like this and make the ends darker. So I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to pull out a line here as well. So I fill up that space. So I'm going to alternate between a solid line and a thicker end line. So keep rotating your tile. So I've just started on the other end also, so that I can find a balance here. there. So I'm going to do the same thing here on this side. So our next tangle is called Lilypad. So here's how we do Lilypads. We make a V, and from here try make a circle that ends right at this end of the V. Okay, so we're going to repeat this multiple times. So we're going to basically fill this entire section with lily pads like this. So keep changing the direction of your V to make it look interesting, and you can also go behind something that's already there. Make them in different sizes so it looks interesting. Kind of looks like a video character. Okay, now we can also add some tipples, some random circles here and there, again of different sizes. So I'm going to repeat this on this side as well. So you make a V and pull the circle around this that ends on the other end of the V. So here I have filled in my lily pads on both sides. Now we are going to add lines that kind of starts at this point, the tip of the V, and goes all around the circle. take your time to do this, don't be in a hurry. Make sure your lines start and end at the points like that. Okay, so I'm done with this. So our next step is to fill black this entire section. So add in few circles, tipples, and make sure you don't fill these, and then fill the rest of it black. So let me get started. So take your time to do this. So I'm done making my lines and I've added tipple. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill these gaps up with solid black. You could probably also leave it just like this. It looks like yin yang, black and white, but I'm going to fill this up. So take your time while filling up. Make sure you don't go over anything. And make sure you have nice jet black, so we don't want any white spots to be seen. So there you go, I've finished filling up solid black. We have this section left, so you can either leave it as is, or I'm going to add circles here, nice and big, but random sized. So I'm just going to fill this entire space with circles. I'm going ahead to fill the gaps solid black. There it is. Okay, so now it's time to add our pencil shading. Now for lily pad, we'll just add the pencil right here where all the lines meet. I'm going to add pencil right here where all these lines meet, and let's just blend it. So here it's only on one side. See how pretty it turns out once you add the shading. It just takes it to a different level. So there, and then I'm finished this section. So there, you can pick your orientation, whichever side works for you. So I guess I'll go with this way. Okay, so let's put our initials and finish our tile. So there you go. Hope you had fun on this safari with me. I would love to see your creations, so head on to our SB group ZenBeez, where all the after party fun happens. Share your works and see what others have created there. If you're sharing this project of yours on social media, do tag me at Sandhya Mane or #TangleWithSandhya. Now it's time to comment. So comment below and let me know how you enjoyed this project. That helps me create my next videos. Also, show me some love and hit that like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel. In the description, there is a link that says Tangle Organizer. Sign up to get details of my upcoming classes and also to claim a free gift. See you on Focus Flight next Friday. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.